Building a personal brand used to mean endless posting and being everywhere. With AI, you'll create a system that builds authority daily while you focus on craft and delivery. We start by defining your brand archetype: educator, guide, builder, or disruptor. GPT analyzes your past content and drafts a positioning map: your voice, your values, your promises. Next, we construct your brand story: origin, struggle, turning point, proof, vision. This becomes your narrative library, with 30 modular story blocks that can be inserted into posts, podcasts, and keynotes. For visibility, we build a content hub: one pillar format, YouTube, newsletter, or podcast, that feeds shorts, reels, carousels, and tweets. AI drafts scripts, condenses key insights into atomic posts, and suggests hooks tailored for each platform's culture. Your design identity is automated with Canva brand kits and Midjourney templates. Covers, banners, social graphics stay consistent without manual effort. For authority, we map PR plus collabs. GPT researches podcasts, newsletters, and LinkedIn creators in your niche, drafts outreach with mutual benefit framing, and proposes joint content ideas. When you appear somewhere, AI repurposes the transcript into micro-content, quotes, and graphics. Audience growth becomes a flywheel. Every new post right-pointing arrow list sign up right-pointing arrow nurture. Sequence right-pointing arrow offer intro. Email flows are crafted to feel personal. Short stories, behind the scenes. Curated links. AI rotates between 3 tones: mentor, peer, challenger, to keep freshness. For monetization, we define your value ladder: free lead magnet right-pointing arrow low ticket, resource right-pointing arrow flagship program right-pointing arrow high-touch mastermind. CTAs are rotated naturally. GPT suggests phrasing that avoids repetition. Analytics are simplified. One dashboard tracks reach, list growth, conversions, and revenue per content piece. GPT writes weekly insights. Your mentor tone posts doubled saves, collab. Episodes drove 40% of new subscribers. By the end, you'll have a brand engine that runs daily. AI drafts, designs, and distributes. You refine, record, and connect.